In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your ticket pipeline in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your processes, this guide will navigate you through every step, ensuring you establish an efficient ticketing system for your business. We'll start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage, which can be accessed through your preferred web browser. Once you've arrived at the page, you'll see the familiar HubSpot branding that provides a suite of marketing, sales, and service tools for growing companies. Now look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you should enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Remember to use the email and password associated with your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home. From here, search for the CRM options located on the top navigation panel. Upon clicking CRM, a drop-down menu will appear. This comprehensive hub is central to managing your customer relationships. Now navigate through the CRM menu until you find Tickets. Clicking on it will redirect you to the Tickets page, a crucial area for managing your support requests and customer issues. On the Tickets page, keep an eye out for the Create Ticket button. Click on this button to begin setting up a new ticket. You're about to enter the details that will help you track, manage, and resolve customer issues effectively. When adding details, ensure you fill in necessary fields such as the ticket name, description, and priority. Additional fields might include due dates and contact details. The more information you can provide at this stage, the more streamlined your ticket resolution process will be. Precision here sets the foundation for effective ticket management. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to create your ticket. Simply click the Create button, and your new ticket will now be part of the system, ready to be assigned, reviewed, or resolved as necessary. With that, you've managed to set up a new ticket in HubSpot, adding to your pipeline. This ticket pipeline can now be tracked, giving you a comprehensive view of open, pending, and resolved tickets. This not only helps in prioritizing customer issues, but also enhances customer satisfaction through timely follow-ups and resolutions. Familiarizing yourself with these steps and regularly using the tickets feature can dramatically improve how your company handles customer inquiries and issues. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now more confident in setting up and managing your ticket pipeline in HubSpot. Be sure to explore further features HubSpot offers to deepen your customer service capabilities. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to guiding you through more HubSpot features in upcoming videos.